front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this SONY. Firstly, open Settings and tap on Sound section. Now scroll down and click on Vibrate for calls. Over here, tap on one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with Never Vibrate, so I have to click on it and tap on the back button. After that, you need to scroll down and tap on the switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibrations and Touch Vibrations to enable or disable those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!